Often in the beautiful chaos of wedding planning, we forget to take care of our skin. So today I'm sharing a few skincare tips for all the brides-to-be that'll help you achieve glowing skin by your big day. Basic skincare routine should be done without fail. A face wash like the Roche-Posay Effaclar foaming gel will deeply cleanse the skin. It will clear all the impurities and brighten the complexion. This step will also let your skin breathe better. Moisturizing the face helps to lock in the moisture and keeps your skin soft and supple. I love using the Pond's Age Miracle Wrinkle Correcting Cream, the creamy texture of which protects and pampers the skin and boosts the skin cells' moisture level from deep within to deliver plumper skin. Exfoliation from head to toe is really important. It's the process of slowing dead skin cells off the surface of your skin. I suggest a homemade coconut oil and sugar scrub. This increases the blood flow and also helps clear blemishes and uneven skin tone. So use it for your face. Also massage it in circular motions all over your body, paying particular attention to areas that tend to be a bit more dry. Use a hair nourishing mask to get a hair spa once a week. I highly recommend the Loccitane repairing mask. The new formula contains an anti-breakage complex made with 5 essential oils. It also captures the richness of shea butter and sweet almond oil to soften and protect the hair. Apply it on full length and then see the magic for yourself. Perk up your eyes. The last thing you want is your eye area to look drab on your wedding day. The Marine Energy Eye Masks, which helps in balancing and brightening the delicate skin around the eyes and promotes clear, smooth and youthful complexion. Take care of those lips. We often forget to take care of our lips. Use a lip balm like the Chacha balm by Benefit Cosmetics that conditions and hydrates the lips with mango butter. This tint is buildable and gives you the softest lips. I got the Benefit Chacha balm from Cash Karo application. Cash Karo is India's largest cashback and coupon site. You will get a 50 rupees bonus if you sign up with the link mentioned below. It has numerous websites linked with it. I got this Benefit balm from Now. If you buy anything from Now from Cash Karo's application, you will get a flat 350 rupees cashback on orders above 700 rupees. So all you gotta do is go to their makeup tab and shop like you normally do. Once you check out, the cashback would be tracked within 72 hours of the purchase made and it can be transferred into your bank account after 45 to 60 days from the date of purchase once the threshold crosses 250 rupees. Isn't that amazing? Indulge in a soothing face pack. Deep cleanse your face and unclog pores with a face pack. I recommend Everyuth Tan Removal Face Pack, which has got the goodness of cherry and chocolate that gently wash away the tanned dead skin cells while uncovering skin's natural brightness. Invest in a serum. Facial oils are such a blessing that help in moisturizing and repairing damaged skin caused by sun, pollution and free radicals in your daily life. Argan oil is my current secret for healthy, radiant and fair skin. Use this every night before sleeping and you will see the difference. Remove those hair. Keep yourself well groomed using the Gillette Venus Women Razor, with which you can apply it onto your legs and hands and remove your hair. It will help you achieve silky smooth skin in no time without any hassle. Hydrate and hydrate. Did you know that water plumps skin cells and flushes out the impurities from your system? So you need to remember that you need to drink a lot of water during the day. Get your beauty sleep. Sleep is absolutely must before the wedding. Lack of sleep can give you dark circles. So I advise you to sleep at least 8 to 10 hours a day. If you follow these simple tips, you will surely feel beautiful inside and out. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!